Most people get this wrong. They think FlashCred is just a quick cash app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that FlashCred is more than a simple payday tool. It now offers early wage access, installment payment options, and spending insights to help you take control of your finances. Here's how it works. First, FlashCred lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This can help cover emergencies, urgent bills, or unexpected expenses without using high-interest credit cards. Second, eligible purchases can be split into predictable installments, making larger payments easier to manage. FlashCred also includes a dashboard that tracks advances, upcoming payments, and overall spending habits. Alerts and reminders ensure you stay on top of repayments, helping you avoid late fees and maintain healthy financial habits. The downside, overusing FlashCred can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments accumulate fees, and relying too heavily on the app may hide underlying financial challenges. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installments you can repay on time. 2. Turn on notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on FlashCred. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, FlashCred in 2026 is a convenient, practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track repayments, plan ahead, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical money tips to keep your finances in check.